Up next, we need a CPU cooler, and we've gone with the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 sets a new standard for CPU cooling with its innovative design and impressive performance. Its standout feature is the magnetic pump cap housing a VRM fan, enhancing overall thermal management. The cooler boasts a newly developed PWM-controlled pump, optimized for efficiency and low noise. Installation is simplified with pre-assembled fans and integrated cable management. The 45cm fiber reinforced tubing allows for flexible placement in large cases while preventing coolant evaporation. Performance-wise, the Liquid Freezer 3 excels in noise-normalized tests, often outperforming competitors. Now we need a graphics card, and we've gone with the MSI Gaming Trio GeForce RTX 4090. The MSI Gaming Trio GeForce RTX 4090 excels in performance, featuring a powerful architecture perfect for gamers and content creators. Equipped with 24GB of GDDR6X memory and a robust design, it ensures high efficiency during intense workloads. This graphics card boasts a maximum boost clock speed of 2610MHz and 16384 CUDA cores, dramatically improving rendering speeds and image quality. It employs the advanced TRI Frozer 3 cooling technology to manage temperatures effectively, even under heavy usage, while enabling support for ray tracing and DLSS 3 technology for immersive graphic experiences.